Greetings everyone, welcome to Scented Palette. Today I am going to make cheese and mushroom omelette from a very famous restaurant, and this restaurant has its presence in many countries. I'm quite certain you will easily guess which one it is. So I have here with me 2 eggs, 2 mortadella slices, 1 sausage, 1 potato which we are going to make in Leonese style, half a medium onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of green peppers chopped, and 2 mushrooms again chopped, along with any seasonal fruit that you have or you like. So I am going to begin by drizzling some oil in a pan. I will spread my potatoes all over the pan's surface so that they can cook properly on one side. Now traditionally, Leonese style means cooking your potatoes with rings of onions. But since this restaurant makes potatoes in this way and they call them their Leonese style potatoes, so I am going to follow their method. I've covered them up to speed up the cooking process, but you can use an open pan as well. It's alright in both ways. So you can see in this way the potatoes have got golden marks on one side in just a couple of minutes. Let's flip them and season them with salt. I'm gonna cover them up and give them a few minutes on this side as well. See how quickly they are done. This double-sided pan has pressure cooker type effect. These thicker slices don't feel cooked, so I'm going to leave them on for a bit longer. I'm not going to waste all this beautiful space and wait for a few pieces of potatoes to cook up. I'll use this space to cook my sausages and my mortadella slices. Now crack the eggs in a bowl and season them with salt and pepper. Our current components are done, so let's just clear them from the pan. Now I'll just sweat the onions, the green peppers and the mushrooms together. Now originally this omelette is made with bacon and ham, sausages, mushrooms, onions, red and green peppers and cheddar cheese, and served with Leonese style potatoes. But in Muslim countries where this restaurant is present, ham and bacon are substituted with turkey and chicken. Feels a bit dry, so I'm going to add a little bit of oil, but this is all the oil that we are going to add. I won't use any more for the eggs. So I'm cutting up my mortadella slices and adding them in the eggs. Pour the eggs in the pan and spread them evenly. I've cut up the sausage in small size and I'm going to scatter it evenly on top of the egg. I'm going to cover it up again, and that is precisely the reason why I used a pan with a lid, so that the eggs can cook properly from the top as well. Because in our homes we do not have commercial sheet stoves on which we can roll our eggs without breaking them. After only a couple of seconds, we can add our cheese and let it cook through. So we have arrived at the trickiest part: how to roll it all at once. But don't be intimidated by small tears. Keep your courage and keep rolling. There, we made it to the other side. Now the final test of shifting it in the plate without breaking it. There you go. Here are our potatoes. Now let's see the final look.